Now children, we will see precursors to newspapers. That means what was the means of communication before the invention of newspapers. So children, Egypt and Emperor Ashoka placing inscription at public places with royal decrees. Before the beginning of common era people, children, there was custom in Egypt of placing inscription with royal decrees at public place. And this was there in our country also with Emperor Ashoka. He also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. Understood? So precursors means to newspaper, that means what was the means of communication, how the kings and queens they used to communicate with people and how they inform the people about their system. Understood? Roman Empire, if you'll see the slide second from right side on the above, second, Roman Empire distribution of royal decrees written on paper. So Roman Empire, in the Roman Empire, royal decrees were written on papers. Royal decrees matlab royal messages or which was given by uh, uh, kings. So what they used to do? They used to write the messages were written on papers and those were distributed in all regions. Understood? Now Julius Caesar, Acta Diurna, act of every day. See, this habit of writing daily diaries. Some children or some of people, some people they are having the habit of writing every day which happened in their life. डेली राइटिंग लिखने का जो हैबिट है वो कुछ लोगों में रहता है. सो दिस ड्यूरिंग जूलियस सीजर टाइम reign, newspapers known as acta diurna, that means act of every day, and used to place at public places in Rome. So what happened during their daily life, what happened in a particular daily, every day, the matter of every day was given. The people were the people were aware with the acta diurna. That means it was placed in public, that people should know that what happened today and what is the today's important highlight, important activities which was there in the city or town. Understood? 7th century CE, distribution of royal dictates at public places. So in the 7th century common era, royal dictates were distributed among the people at public places. So in England, distribution of handouts given information on the wars and important events. So children, what happened in England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally. मतलब जैसे एक बड़ा बड़ा चार्ट और प्रिंट आउट जैसे जिस टाइप का होता है ना, जैसे बैनर उस टाइप से. So in England, handout used to be distributed occasionally, giving information about wars or important events. Travelers, understood? So what happened? The people they used to, the kings or the people were informed by giving a type of information or hideouts about important wars or coming wars or important events. Travelers from far off places narrating stories to local people, ambassadors sending important news to the royal court. So what happened, travelers, during that time so many travelers they used to visit to one place, to one country to another country, and they used to write. You must have about Wensang and people from China, they used to come our country, and some Marco Polo, they used to, this type of travelers they used to travel throughout the world, and they used to write what they have witnessed, and they used to, now when they return back to their country, they used to give information that what they have witnessed. So these type of travelers arriving from far away, they would add spice to stories from those places and narrate it to the local people. The ambassadors of the king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court. So this type of things were there before the invention of newspaper, precursors to newspapers. Now this slide you can see a picture, Bengal Gazette. Children, this Bengal Gazette, It was the first English newspaper of India which was printed in 29th January 1780. Understood? So this was the first newspaper which was printed during British era. You can see the picture of Augustus Hickey. Bengal Gazette. Hickey's Bengal Gazette, or the original Calcutta Journal Advertiser, was an English language weekly newspaper published in Kolkata, then Calcutta, the capital of British India. It was the first newspaper printed in Asia and was published for 2 years before the East India Company seized the newspaper's types and printing press, founded by James Augustus Hickey, a highly eccentric Irishman who had previously spent 2 years in jail for debt. The newspaper was a strong critic of the administration of the Governor General Warren Hastings. The newspaper was important for its provocative journalism well before its time and its fight for free expression in India. So children, this was the first newspaper, Bengal Gazette, which was published by Hickey, James Augustus Hickey, and he was an Irish gentleman, and it was published in Kolkata. So read it carefully. You should remember this. Understood? So Bengal Gazette, first newspaper which was published in Kolkata.